Okay, it's me, Johnson, with the studios. I have a tent set up right here. This is my little sister. She's doing camping with me. Like at 4:50. We're gonna take this down, and that's when I'm gonna be out here. So I'm in my tent right now. Nice space. I got some windows. Got enough space, my flooring, and yeah, raining real hard right now. It's actually pretty hard to see too, and yeah, it's really a hunting tent. So my little sister's bunny, you just saw, cuddles. You can see her. And if you like my bunny cuddles, just like this or subscribe to me. Okay, I don't have my coat on. I really should. But I'm going inside my tent, which is completely waterproof, and I hope I get inside fast enough. Okay. Woo! Okay. See, it's really raining hard. Way harder than you expect. I don't really think this is a hurricane, but at 4:50, like I said before, it's going to be really bad. That's why I'm going to make this nice and long. There's going to be 2 parts. Today and tomorrow. So, yeah. Whoa. Switching windows. You want to see my front yard? Well, I'm going to do that in part 2. As much as I do in part, as I do it. That one is going to go up to at least 104 miles per hour, which will blow me and the tent away. So, this is part 1, and tomorrow, well, will be part 2. It's not part 1 yet, but it will be. As you can see, it's raining harder. My brother just locked me out. Gotta get this out of your way. And I'm going to make a run for it. Oh, God, I'm soaking wet. I was just out here for a second. I'm soaked. Gotta get all this water out. Okay. Water's filling up at the top real quick, which is very bad. It said that it's getting lower. I'm sorry, but it's not going down. And I wish. The mom downstairs clearing up the windows. God, this stinks. This is like this is the first hurricane I ever saw in real life. Well, it's not really a hurricane yet, but look at 4:50. I'll be out here. Wind starts to pick up. This tent might be fine, but I have it tied up. So, it's gonna be really cool. So, the camera is so